If you're looking for a way to contribute to a Roth IRA, but your income is too high to qualify for a direct Roth IRA, then you're probably searching for a strategy to get around that. That's exactly what the Backdoor Roth IRA can do for you. And in this step-by-step guide, I'm going to walk you through how to make this work and why it might be the perfect solution for you, especially if you're nearing retirement or already retired. Stick around, because by the end, I'll show you exactly how you can take advantage of this strategy to boost your retirement savings. Before we dive into the steps, though, I want to quickly mention that if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to get a free guide on gold IRAs. Thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and if you have over $100K in your IRA or 401K, or even $5 million in savings, this could be the best decision for you. Now back to the Backdoor Roth IRA. The first thing you need to understand is that a Backdoor Roth IRA is a strategy for high-income earners who exceed the Roth IRA income limits. This method essentially allows you to contribute to a Roth IRA indirectly through a traditional IRA, taking advantage of the benefits of tax-free growth. The process begins with making a non-deductible contribution to a traditional IRA. This is a key step because the IRS doesn't impose income limits on contributions to a traditional IRA, even for high-income earners. You contribute after-tax money, which means you don't get a tax deduction for it. But here's the important part. Once the contribution is made, you convert the traditional IRA into a Roth IRA. This is the backdoor part. The conversion can happen quickly. As soon as the money hits the traditional IRA, you can convert it to a Roth IRA, and it's taxed as income in the year of the conversion. Now, if you don't have any other pre-tax money in other IRAs, then you'll only be taxed on the gains that occur between when you make the contribution and when you convert it. It's important to note that the IRS has rules around this conversion, like the pro rata rule, which says if you have other pre-tax IRA money, the IRS will treat your conversion as a mix of pre-tax and after-tax funds. So, if you have significant pre-tax IRAs, this could complicate things, and you may owe more in taxes than you'd expect. For this reason, it's crucial to manage your other IRAs carefully, or consider using a strategy called the Backdoor Roth IRA with no pre-tax IRA balances. What makes this such a valuable strategy, especially for retirees or those nearing retirement, is that it allows you to take advantage of tax-free growth that Roth IRAs provide, and you don't have to worry about required minimum distributions, RMDs, either, unlike traditional IRAs. This can give you more control over your retirement money as you age and enter your retirement years. Now, you might be wondering if this is a strategy only for high earners or those with significant savings. And while it is popular among high-income earners, it's also a great option for anyone who wants to have more flexibility in retirement. The Backdoor Roth IRA is perfect for Americans looking to protect their savings against taxes and volatility in the stock market. Here's where I want to remind you again about the Gold IRA. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the link below to get your free Gold IRA guide. Gold has historically been a great way to protect your wealth from inflation and market fluctuations. And this could be the perfect next step after considering a Roth IRA strategy like the Backdoor Roth. As we wrap up, I want to mention one more time that if you're someone with $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 million in savings, this is the perfect time to dive into strategies like the Backdoor Roth IRA or Gold IRAs to protect and grow your wealth. So, if you're ready to take the next step and secure your future, click the first link in the description to get your free guide now. You'll see why thousands of Americans are already making the switch to Gold IRAs and why you should too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.